Hi guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see, it's time for Madam Glam's new August gel polish collection. So this is, again, like last month's, a limited edition collection called I Am Abundant. So these colours are the kind of colours where we're transforming from summer nails to autumn nails, them kind of shades. So they're like earthy tones, but still a little bit on the bright side. So let's have a little look at them, shall we? So this month's collection is made up of 8 gorgeous creamy gel polishes. Inside the box reads, "Abundance begins with a mindset, and this is your daily reminder of everything you already are and everything you are becoming. It's a moment to honour yourself and carry your glow with you as a new month begins." So let's have a little look at the colours and see what they're called, shall we? So this is like an off creamy white. It's called Airy Cloud. Really nice, like creamy white sort of colour. This one is like a mauve purple. It's called Soft Ground. I really like that one. It's like a dusky mauve purple. This one is a really pretty earthy green called Earth Energy. Really well suited, that name, isn't it? I like it. This nice pretty pink colour is called Pink Reset. Nice bright pink. I like it. This gorgeous blue is like a really light grey blue. This one's called Blue Aura. I really like that one. This one is like a minty green sort of colour. Perfect name for this one, Breath Mint. On to the last two now, and this purple one is a really nice shade of lavender, but it is like an earthy shade of lavender. I like it. So this one's called Zen Wave. Then last but not least, we've got this kind of terracotta looking colour called Spice Calm. So that is the name of all the colours. Now we're going to get them swatched. So we're going to swatch them in the order that I've just showed you them in. So this one, like I said earlier, is called Airy Cloud. Now I've decided to leave all the swatching in real time in this video, guys, because I want to show you how quick it is to paint nails or swatch sticks using these brushes in these bottles. So as you can see, that is one coat, full cover colour, highly pigmented, very opaque. Madam Glam gels are just really nice to use. They're so pleasant to use. So this next one is called Soft Ground. So yeah, like I was saying, the brushes inside these bottles are the arched brushes that I really like. They fit really nice in the cuticle area, and they make application so fast. Like, did you see how quick I can paint that swatch stick? It just makes application so fast. Great for if you're working in salons. Great for anyone that struggles to apply gel polish in the cuticle areas. It's just a really easy brush to use. So that one was Soft Ground. This one is called Earth Energy. It's a really nice green, this one. Also, I just want to say as well, Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula and hema-free. It is such a top quality formula, especially for anyone that suffers from allergies to nail product ingredients. So again, super fast application. Look at that. Done. Again, really nice, creamy, opaque formula. I also forgot to tell you as well, these cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. And they cure in a UV lamp for 2 minutes. So this next one is called Pink Reset. If anyone's interested in the ingredients of the gel polishes, you will find them on Madam Glam's website for each and every gel polish. You'll find the ingredients, and you'll also find the instructions on there as well. So that is Pink Reset. Again, one coat, full cover colour. Next up, we're on to Blue Aura. This one I really, really like. It's a very, very light blue, but it's got a kind of hint of grey to it as well. Beautiful, this one. Look at that. I mean, that application, guys, is just so fast, isn't it? And these gel polishes self-level beautifully. You know, and you can see it like levelling before your eyes. I love that. So look at that, look. One coat, full cover colour, and it is beautiful. So we've cured that for 60 seconds, and now we're on to Breath Mint. Again, this one's a really nice colour as well. Like a minty greeny blue, bit of a turquoisey colour. Can you see what I mean? Like I said, they are earthy tones, but they are still on the bright side as well. Great colours for transforming from summer nails to autumn nails, aren't they? So that one, again, one coat, full cover colour. I'd just like to show you it coming off the edge of my glove. Because my gloves are black, if any gel polishes are slightly transparent, you can normally see my black glove coming through it. So I'd just like to show you that, because that way you can see that they are literally one coat, full cover colour. So this one is Zen Wave. A gorgeous, deep, earthy lavender colour. This is probably one of my favourites out of this collection. I do like that. Look at that, look. Look how smooth that applies, guys. You can see by the light reflection, look how smooth that applies. Madam Glam gel polishes are just so pleasant to use. So we're going to cure that one for 60 seconds, and then on to, last but not least, Spice Calm. This one is like a browny, orangey sort of colour. Like I said earlier, like a terracotta sort of colour. Perfect for autumn designs. I can see me using this one quite a lot for autumn. Again, applies lovely and smooth, self-levels beautifully, very opaque, nice and creamy. What more can you ask for, really? Their formula is so beautiful. So, that is all of them swatched now. So I'm going to cure that one in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I've pulled out Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat and their Velvet Matte Top Coat. And we're going to go in and we're going to apply the No Wipe Shiny Top Coat first to the whole of the swatch stick. So we're going to seal in all that gel polish. And then once I've applied that, I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm only going to show you me top coat in one swatch stick though, guys. I'm not going to do all 8 with you because that's just going to get way too repetitive. While that's curing, I've pulled out Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Really nice top coat this is. Love their matte top coat. And all I'm doing is I'm going to paint that to the bottom half of the swatch stick. I do like to get this line nice and straight. I mean, it doesn't really need to be as neat as I'm doing it, but yeah, I do like my swatch sticks to be kind of neat. I think that's my OCD kicking in there. Faffing a little bit, as you can see. So once I've finished faffing, I will then pop that swatch stick in the lamp for a final cure for 60 seconds, and then that will be them all finished. So let's have a look at this collection one last time, all swatched. So we've got this gorgeous box with these 8 beautiful summer to autumn shades. And then these are the swatches. So as you can see, I've swatched them with the No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. And then I've gone along the bottom edge with the Velvet Matte Top Coat, even though they're upside down. So actually the matte top coat's at the top at the minute, but you know what I mean. They're really, really pretty colours, aren't they? Like I said, they are autumn kind of earthy tones, but they're still a little bit vibrant for the summer. They're really, really nice. I likes them. I think my favourite ones are the Blue Aura and the Zen Wave, I think. They're my... I don't know, I like that Breath Mint as well. That is a really pretty colour. Oh, I don't know. But they're all really nice. They're all the sort of colours that everyone needs in their collection. So anyone that is interested in buying anything from Madam Glam, whether it be this collection, whether it be the individual colours, or anything else off Madam Glam's website, just remember that I have got a huge 40% off discount for you guys to use. All you've got to do at checkout, where it says enter discount code, if you pop GG40 in there at checkout, it will take 40% off your whole order. All the gel polishes that I've showed you today in this collection, I'll leave the names for in my description box below, just so you've got the names for your reference. I'll make sure that I list them in the order that I've swatched them in. And that is everything for today's video, guys. Nice quick swatch video for you guys today. I will be doing a design using some of these shades this week, so keep your eyes out for that video. That video will be out in the next few days, and I'll show you some designs that you can do with these kind of colours. But for now, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.